Hello there, I am Grace and I'm going to tell you about the California pitcher plant, or the cobra lily. I find its specializations fascinating. It's cool because it is an antonym how it is so beautiful but has such a gruesome odor from how it obtains its nutrients. So it's a carnivorous plant. It is adapted to getting its nitrogen requirements through carnivory, which is shown in this diagram. This helps compensate for the lack of available nitrogen. They use lubricating secretions and downward-pointing hairs to force their prey into the trap to digest them. The plant hides the exit holes from the trapped insects by curling it underneath and tricking them with multiple exits that you can see here on the right. After trying many times to leave through false exits, the insect will be exhausted and fall into the trap. The slippery walls and hairs prevent the trapped prey from escaping. After the tray is beginning to be digested, you can see what it looks like on the left. Growing cobra lilies from seed is extremely slow and difficult to maintain. These plants are best propagated from the long stems that they grow in the late winter and spring. An interesting fact that the plants can do is that they can regenerate from the roots after a fire, even though the roots are very sensitive to temperature and will die off at just 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very rare for individual organs to have such different temperature tolerances. The physiological mechanisms and evolutionary benefits of this are not completely understood. The cobra lily is found mostly in California, but has also been found in northern Europe. Here on the right you can see where the black marks are where the cobra lily has been found. A remaining mystery surrounding the cobra lily is its means of pollination. Its flower is unusually shaped and complex, typically a sign of a close pollinator plant specialization, but none have been observed. The flower is yellowish-purple in color and grows on a stalk. In full sun they tend to be shorter and redder. In partial shade they are taller and greener. While pollination has not yet been observed in action, it is generally expected that the pollinator is either a fly attracted to the flower's unpleasant smell or some nocturnal insect. It is fascinating to me that so much about this plant is a mystery to us. The pollination and the root regeneration after fires is such an unknown. Here are the references that I used for this video. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the cobra lily.